Prepare to be surprised if this becomes the Earth's currency in the future. Elon Musk, the billionaire, has been a strong proponent of the block. It frequently has a transitory aspect to it. He recently stated that he intends to send us to the moon on a SpaceX rocket in 2022. According to Elon Musk, Tesla, a Canadian company that is collaborating on the Doge-1 moon mission, has banned Bitcoin payments due to environmental concerns. He returned to Twitter to reassure worried investors. That is the fervor for cryptocurrency. To be clear, I am a cryptocurrency supporter. But, he added, it can't lead to a significant increase in fossil fuel consumption. Particularly because since the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency has increased by almost 1,500%. According to Gwen Market, this is due in great part to Musk's attention. With a market capitalization of more than $70 billion, it is now the fourth most valuable coin. Although large money is still relatively new to popular investors, crypto has already been dubbed the dinosaur by the next generation. Jen agreed, and the young ladies in the pasture started calling being divorced a divorce. McCoy was active on social media platforms such as Twitter and Reddit during the cryptocurrency boom. On Wednesday, there was a significant sell-off in Bitcoin. A Twitter user discovered the prices. I'm not sure why many still wish for the boomer's demise. Of course, not everyone is invested in this group, despite the fact that many of them have substantial victories in other digital points. One Reddit member remarked on Tuesday, the reason I'm still bullish about it is the coin boom. Boy, the most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was launched in 2009 and is regarded as a long-term store of value. It paved the way for Oak with its 12-year run. It was similar to Dogecoin, which began as a joke. Despite the fact that each cryptocurrency investment is examined, experts say that investing in old coins is highly speculative. It is extremely dangerous, according to experts, to spend more than you can afford. Despite this, a small number of ALTCOINs have recently married. They've grown in popularity among many younger people. When you mix Higgins' discover the next great thing with that reaction and unequaled access to trading, you create a generation that isn't bound by convention. Traditional investors believe John will be president or act in a way that aids in the development of the Apple release blockchain, whereas the younger generation has missed out on the court and is now looking for the next big thing to give them a better return on their investment. Despite the fact that it is still down from its all-time high of $64,863, he claims. A coin currently has a value of over $42,000. However, as of Thursday morning, fractional shares were still available. In contrast, the value of the other hand has soared in recent months, and it is currently valued roughly 42 cents. That's okay. When it was formed in 2013, based on the dog meme, in which the dog says she met you, dog, and the makers didn't plan for it to be taken seriously, what were they thinking? It is presently one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, with a market capitalization of more than $53 billion. Dogecoin, in my opinion, is a soda for millennials. Our generation, gens, and language melting are the millennials' language memes. I'm the chief strategy officer for the Rock Quenchers. Make them meaningful, as CNBC famously said, is the message for those currencies as Twitter's popularity grows in the financial industry, so we can see how they move our markets. We choose not to because it is comfortingly familiar. We come from a universe where money is the future, so it's only logical that we should combine the two Fanta soda sets, despite the fact that Satan is going to kill her. Due to social media funds, I suddenly gained recognition. Experts believe these are extremely dangerous investments. Others have connected Satan to 8 Ponzi scams and frauds. There are other possibilities, such as the Ethereum finance coin, Cardano, and others, all of which have active communities. Then comes the Sophia volatility has been felt, and the Dogecoin price has been skyrocketing since its launch in recent days. Let's rally the Bollinger Bands in a 12-hour period. Children have been squeezing for more than a week as a result of Dogecoin price fluctuations, which cause prices to inflate over time. This type of activity is frequent, as seen by the fact that it dropped from 50 cents to 21 cents on May 19, as anticipated by this technical indicator. The allure of Japan is that they are not accustomed to categorizing anything. Regardless of market conditions, whether overbought or oversold, Dogecoin's price recently broke through the lower level, and the 112-hour moving average held it down, signaling a possible buying opportunity. The bullish picture is supported by Tom DeMarco's TD sequential indicator, which delivered a buy signal in the form of a resin. Within the same timeframe, a candlestick, a surgeon's bullish momentum Dogecoin passed $50 moving average of 46 cents. Regardless of the bullish outlook, the rise of, when must remain a bomb, mark, if this crucial obstacle becomes invisible, will be able to retest the high of 74 sacks. Regardless of the bullish, the rise of, when must remain a bomb, Mark, if this crucial obstacle becomes invisible, we'll be able to retest the high of 74 sacks, regardless of the bullish, the rise of, when must remain a bomb, Mark, a 31-cent 10th power moving average if the best can capture power at 18 cents on the dollar. Moving to our average, this critical support level will be temporary.